everyone! I just built a website I wanted to share with you. I built a spa website with an AI chatbot that actually knows the business inside and out. It answers questions about services, handles bookings, and never gives wrong information. Let me show you exactly how I built this. I started with the basics, React components organized in a clean structure. You can see here, I've got sections for different pages, bots for the chat logic, utils for helper functions. I built the booking form, chat widget, all the core pieces first. Once I had the skeleton, I started adding the smart logic. And yes, ChatGPT was my coding buddy through this whole process. I connected everything to Supabase as my database. And trust me, I have a detailed video showing you step by step how to set up Supabase. If you are interested, please go and watch it. So inside Supabase, I created several tables that work together to make this whole system intelligent. Here's the database structure. Services table holds all the spa treatments with durations and prices. Business config stores operation hours, address, and policies. Conversations and messages tables keep track of all chat history for each user. But this knowledge table with PG vector, look at this. It stores everything from service descriptions to FAQs to policies, all as searchable vectors. So how does this knowledge table work? It's called RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Here's what happens when someone asks, "What's a hot stone massage?" The system converts that question into a vector embedding, searches through the knowledge table, finds the most relevant chunks, then sends that specific context to OpenAI and says, "Answer using only this information. No hallucinations, no made-up facts." Now let's head to booking. The booking system works two ways. You can book directly through the chat, just say, "I want to book," and it opens the form with your discussed service already selected. Or use the traditional booking page. Either way, I added proper validation for emails and phone numbers to keep data clean. Where does all this valuable data go? Everything automatically saves to Google Sheets through a custom apps script webhook I built. Clean, organized columns with all booking details. If someone booked through chat, it includes a summary of their conversation for context. And the result? Customers get instant, accurate answers 24/7 and can book without calling. The spa staff gets clean, organized booking data with context and way fewer "what time are you open" phone calls. Now again, the stack used React for the front end, Supabase with PG vectors for database and vector search, OpenAI for chat and embeddings, and Google Apps script for the Sheets integration. Full code is on GitHub. If you run a spa or a studio and want this flow, I'm happy to share the checklist. Let's connect.